How to build passive income as a high-level consultant. Hey guys, if you are looking to start your own all-in-one software and service business, SaaS, I have a special video from the top affiliate person whose name is Dominic B. In high level. In just over a year, this 27-year-old makes over $60,000 a month showing local businesses how to use the all-in-one software to run their business. I believe that this is the most amazing software on the planet. Yes, he is working 18 to 20 hours a day. He basically doesn't have the time to give you 100% of his time working with new users of the software. He also runs along with a partner a land clearing business, and he does over $100,000 a month with both businesses. It will do so much: texting, Google My Business, get 5 stars ranking for business, emails, autoresponder, calendar, unlimited sales funnels, websites, reputation management, two-way SMS texting, CRM, tracking, etc. The high-level software can be white-labeled with your name on. They also have over 160 website designs for every business you can think of. You can sign up for personal use for $97 a month. Or you can become your own software agency for $297 and sell it for $297 per month and keep all the profits. Or be an affiliate for 40% commission, and high level does all the customer service. Then they have the white label for $497 a month, and you can brand the software to your liking. Some of the biggest internet gurus caught on to this, and they brand the software and add their programs and service. For example, Frank Kern, who has been in the internet business for at least 15 years, in the first 47 days sold $147,000 of the software. That is an extreme example, and Frank has 1,000 of clients. I've included a link in the description that the #1 affiliate in the world, Dominic, does give you a complete overview of the software. Just think, for example, if you sign up just 10 local business for $297 per month, you would have a passive income of $2,997 a month. Not to mention doing social media and website services for these businesses using my social media course. Then just keep adding new businesses every month. Plus, I will show you in my social media course how to do free advertising on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Also, if you sign up under my link, you will receive my social media gold course for free. It's a $997 course. This course, if you study it, will teach you everything about becoming a social media consultant, where you can charge $500, $1,000 to set up these social media platform for local businesses. You can review the course at http://www.socialmediagoldcourse.com. Please, you will receive a complete course on running www.besthighlevel.com. See down in the description Dominic's video.